Hey, Steve Ness here with Realty One. Hey, I'm here with Chris Palmer.
How you doing?
With Unicorn Air and Conditioning.
Air and heat.
Air and heat.
That's what we do.
Hey, so we're at a unit and I'm having Chris check out an air conditioner behind us. So we got a Goodman, and then we got these tiny little ones. So I wasn't sure which one was which.
I had to explain to Steve that the physical size of a piece of equipment doesn't mean that it's actually bigger or smaller. So the newer the equipment gets, the more volume of an outdoor coil it requires to reach its efficiency. So these could very well, in fact, we'll take a quick look.
Yep.
These ones here are, looks like a 18,000 BTU, which would be 1.5 ton. And this one here is also same size.
Same size.
So these are the same tonnage, different physical size. The reason this one is bigger, because the coils have to be bigger to achieve the efficiency rating of today's standards.
Okay.
Not so much in 1980 something when those were made.
Okay. So on something like this, if somebody had to replace one of those, they go out, what's the typical standard that you would put in there then? And what would be like the average cost? Just
average cost on a job like this is $5,000 or $6,000.
Okay.
You know, and that includes the air handler, because these this place uses a First Company air handler, which is a ceiling mount air handler, so they're a little bit more pricey. And you know, they're a little more difficult to put them in. And on top of that, with a new refrigerant, you can no longer use that old air handler with the new condenser outside, so they both have to be replaced. Okay. Whereas if we were still running R22 and you had a major failure out here at the outside unit, you could replace the outside condenser and leave the air handler, but you can't do that anymore. So, unless of course it's already been upgraded to 410A air handler, in which case you can do that. So, yeah.
All good stuff to know. So if you guys need to know anything like that, I encourage you to call Chris.
Unicorn Air and Heat.
What's the best way to get a hold of Chris?
Best way to get a hold of us is through our direct cell phone, which is 480-229-3704, or you can reach me directly on my cell phone at 480-369-1967.
And I'll put everything down below in the video. Catch you guys later. Peace.